do you like this my hairstyle? Do you like this hair tie style? Let me show you how I cut it. Okay, let me remove this. Let me show you. Let me show you the way. Like, let me remove the pin that I use for it. How to tie the head wrap. Okay? Even if you have small material, you'll be able to tie it. You can see it. They turn to the right place. It like this. This one like this. This one I want. Then I hope you're watching it. That once. Did it again. Make it to be tight. It's not tight. Let it in a way that it will be tight. Just it. 1, 2. Then use this one to cover the back. Use this one to cover the hole, the back like this. Put this one inside. And remaining this one, I'm going to fold it. Fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it. Twist it. After twisting it, then go like this. Go like this. Put it inside. If you want to push it to the side, by the side, you can adjust it. Put it inside. Have you guys seen it? Very simple. Yeah. Yeah. Simple. Hope you guys like it. See you. Very simple. Headtie.